If you want to learn how to write in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add text to shapes, create standalone text boxes, and format everything so your diagram looks clean and professional. This is perfect whether you're making a flowchart, an org chart, a process map, or just annotating a workspace with notes and labels. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your Lucidchart workspace and open a new document. To do that, click the plus new button in the top left corner. Then hover over Lucidchart and choose either blank document or create from template, depending on how you want to start. If you want total freedom, go with a blank document. If you want a head start, pick a template that already matches the type of diagram you're building. Once your canvas is open, you're ready to start writing. The easiest way to add text in Lucidchart is by placing it inside a shape. So go to the left panel, drag a shape onto the canvas, and drop it wherever you want. Then simply double-click the shape and start typing. This is the best method when you want the text to stay connected to a specific step, object, or process block in your diagram. If you need to write notes, labels, or anything that should float freely on the page, use a standalone text box instead. Just press the T key on your keyboard, then click anywhere on the canvas and begin typing. This gives you a clean way to add extra context without needing a shape around the text. It's especially useful for captions, annotations, headings, or supporting details. Now let's talk about formatting, because good text formatting can make your diagram much easier to read. Select the text or the shape containing your text and look at the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen. From there, you can change the font style, adjust the font size, and change the text color. You can also apply formatting like bold, italic, and underline if you want to emphasize certain words or make important labels stand out. A helpful tip is to keep your text short and clear. In diagram software like Lucidchart, less is usually more. Use simple labels inside shapes and only add extra text when it actually helps explain the flow or structure. That way your diagram stays clean, professional, and easy for other people to understand at a glance. If you're building a more detailed chart, try using consistent text styles throughout the whole document. For example, keep all your process steps the same font size, use the same color for headings, and make sure labels align visually. This gives your diagram a more polished look and makes it feel much more organized. And if you ever make a mistake, don't worry, you can always click back into the text, edit the wording, and adjust the formatting at any time. Lucidchart makes it very easy to update your content as your project changes, which is one of the reasons it's such a useful tool for planning and collaboration. So to quickly recap, writing in Lucidchart is all about three simple things. Create your document, add text inside shapes or with a text box, and then format it using the toolbar. Once you get comfortable with those basics, you'll be able to build much better diagrams in less time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.